Hey everyone, it's Addie Van Salisbury on the Aspen Discovery team with Bywater Solutions. And today I want to talk about web resources in the Web Builder module, how to create those, what they'll do for you and your patrons, and where you can find them. So we're going to go into your Aspen administration menu and scroll down to Web Builder. So the web resources section is where we can add any resource that a patron can access online. You'll see I've created a few here. I'll just hop into the Mango languages. So to create, let me hop back real quick. To create a new one, all you would do is add new. To go in and edit, you would either press edit or click into the hyperlinked ID. So first you'll give it a name. You're going to go and give the resource the URL that the patron can access that. If you have a unique URL for the resource that is associated with your library, that's what you would put here. You can load a logo for the resource. You can choose whether or not it's featured. So when we create resources, they automatically get added to a page within Aspen Discovery. I added the page URL to our menu up here, but if you don't embed it or add it to a menu, it's not really findable. It's just created so that y'all can put it in the menu up here or over here, so you can create a placard for it or put it in your library website, embed it in any of these custom pages you're creating, just so you've got that resource of resources available. So if you choose for it to be featured, it will show up on the main part of this URL. So as you're creating resources, it's going to be whatever your URL is /web builder /resources list. So as you're adding resources in this web resources, they will add themselves to this page. Again, this page wouldn't be findable by a patron unless you put it in the menus over here or up top, or if you put in a placard, or let patrons know that it exists. You can't automatically click into that page. So then we've got audiences and categories that you can assign to the resource. You can add, edit, change the audiences and categories here in the web builder. So all you would do is hop into there. And they're all editable. You can remove them, add a new one. Super easy to do. As you're adding those categories, they will also group in a category on this page, which is cool. Additionally, you can indicate if it's in library use only or if it requires a library card. So then you're going to give the resource a teaser, and then you can give it a full description. Then you'll apply it to whatever libraries this resource is a part of. So the teaser is going to show in these different sections, and then when you click into the resource, it's going to show you the full resource. And then you have the ability to open the resource, and it's going to show you the audiences and categories. Another place that this will automatically show, you don't need to embed or do anything, is going to be in the Explore More. So you can see here, I have my Mango placard created. So that's something different. If you're not familiar with placards, go check out our video on placards. But you'll also find the resource now in this Explore More. So I can click into it, and it's going to give me that nice, beautiful, full description of the resource. So this is just another way to let patrons know about resources you have. I still love the idea of using placards and the resources. I love the idea of embedding my resources right here. So to embed those resources, go check out our menu building video. If you have any questions about how to create resources, what they're good for, how you should be utilizing them, let us know. If you're having issues finding the resources, make sure that you have your web indexer module turned on, which you can find in the modules here. If you have any questions, reach out to us and let us know. Thank you. Thanks, y'all.